This is Dana Cardboard Hobby. We are cracking 2021 Gold Rush Autograph Mini Helmet Football 3-box eBay break. May 17th, 2021. I'm going to read off eBay usernames with team names. We got GoDuck_41, Panthers, Jaguars. 2Bear68, Broncos, Texans, Chargers, Bengals. Pit P Rebs, the Falcons, Ravens, Colts, Lions, and Titans. Bruzzing21 with the Redskins. Let the Dogs Out 34, the Chiefs, Browns, Patriots, and Buccaneers. J Loudon1 with the Rams and Packers. TIMOT Blank with the Seahawks. Upstate Cards 74 with the 49ers. Shields 30 with the Steelers. PATA 9422 with the Eagles and the Jets. E Myers 315 with the Giants. Trey Dog Knight 7 with the Saints. PATA 9422 also the Vikings and the Dolphins. John K 6883 with the Raiders. Louis 214 with the Cowboys. JD Section 8 with the Bears. ALEGENTIL_81 with the Bills, and MDH 523 rocking the Cardinals. That is your full lineup. Okay, 1, 2, 3 boxes. 2021 Gold Rush Autograph Mini Helmet Football. Here we go. Your first Autograph Mini Helmet coming your way. Good luck, everybody. First Autograph Mini Helmet coming at you. And the Titans. And there's your auto. Derrick Henry. Beautiful. Derrick Henry. Autograph Mini Helmet for the Titans. Wow, is that gorgeous. Beckett COA. And Beckett COA right there. Beautiful. Derrick Henry. Titans striking first. Gorgeous. Titans. Owned by Pitt P. Red. Congrats. Very nice, Derrick Henry. Sharp mini helmet there, Derrick Henry. Okay. Autograph mini helmet number 2. Here we go. Autograph mini helmet number 2. The Cardinals. There is your auto. That is Isaiah Simmons. Isaiah Simmons autograph mini helmet, the Cardinals. And yeah, Beckett COA right there. And Beckett COA is on the very inside in there. Cardinals on the board. Cardinals owned by MDH 523. Congrats. Very nice, Isaiah Simmons. Autograph mini helmet, Cardinals. Autograph mini helmet number 3. Here we go. Good luck, everybody. Autograph mini helmet number 3. And the Broncos. There is your auto. That is Cortland Sutton. Cortland Sutton. Autograph mini helmet Broncos. JSA certification. And your JSA cert on the inside in there as well. Broncos striking last. Beautiful mini helmet there. Broncos owned by 2Bear68. Congrats. Very nice. Cortland Sutton Broncos. So we had your Broncos, Cortland Sutton autograph mini helmet. Cardinals, Isaiah Simmons autograph mini helmet. Very nice. And we started out with Derrick Henry autograph mini helmet for the Titans. Gorgeous. Beautiful. Derrick Henry for the Titans. I want to thank everybody so much for breaking, guys. Really, really do appreciate it. Really means a lot. CardboardHobby.com, Dugan1640 on eBay. I'll be sticking around. We have another break coming up here at 10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, plus at 11 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Beautiful lineup of breaks scheduled all week long, so don't miss out on those as well, guys. Thank you so much. Please be smart, be safe out there.